What do we want? A sale. When do we want it? Right now. You know that desperate feeling, gotta get a sale, gotta get a sale, gotta get a sale. Really? Or maybe it's just gotta change someone's world today. But either way, we don't just want sales, we want them quickly. We want Roadrunner sales.
Meep, meep.
Look, we want them to buy today. We do. But how do we do that? Well, the first question you need to ask is this. Why is it in their best interest to buy right now? So you can't get anywhere if you don't figure that out. If you don't know why it helps them to buy right now, then your motives are going to be all wrong. So let's ask this question. Why does anyone buy? In fact, why does anyone buy ever? 2 words, life improvement. That's right, people buy because they want an improved life. They want a better life. Now, and stay with me on this, the sooner they buy, the sooner their life improves. So imagine that you're selling furniture, for example, okay? What are you selling? Are you selling a new sofa? Or are you selling a better experience with the family watching television? Are you selling a new mattress? Or are you selling the fact that they will feel better in the morning? You see, if their life needs to be improved, then the sooner they buy, the sooner their life improves. So how does your product improve their life? And if it improves their life, is it better for them to wait? Now, one thing we need to do here is to take a look inside the buying brain. How do buyers buy? How do they make decisions? And we can compare 2 possibilities here that'll really help you to understand this. It's the difference between long cycle sales and short cycle sales. So what's the danger in the long buying cycle? And the danger, in one word, is confusion. Why? Why do customers get so confused in the long cycle? Because their head gets wrapped around the mental axle. We become unmoored from the initial emotional impetus. We know that people buy on emotion, and the longer they stay in the cycle, the more they become distant from that initial emotion. Short cycle sales are more emotion-based, and that is the way that people want to buy anyway. Now, one other thing, I've got a question for you here, and it's a very, very important question. Who is ultimately happier with their decision? Those people who take a long time to decide, or those people who take a short time to decide? And you know what? It's not even close. People who take a long time to decide get so distant from their emotion, not only do they have a harder time making a decision, they don't enjoy it more. Who is happier? Those who make short cycle decisions in a landslide. It's a runaway.
Shut up and take my money.
So what is in your customer's best interest? It's in their best interest not to take too long to do this. So how do we do this? Well, 2 ideas here. You got to change your thinking and you got to change your language. When I talk about changing your thinking, it's with the idea that they will buy today. If they see enough value, and specifically, if they see enough life improvement, they will buy today. But you also need to change your language. And I want to suggest to you that there's a phrase that you can get into your vocabulary, and the earlier you do it in the sales conversation, the better off you're going to be. And the phrase is this, if you purchase today, if you purchase today, you see, a customer might come through the door thinking that they're not going to purchase today, which means that the idea of buying today is going to be abnormal. You need to normalize that. You need to normalize the idea that they could purchase today. So if you slip that into the conversation very early, like in the first 2 minutes, if you purchase today, and then you can get that in a couple of other times throughout the process, what happens? You begin to normalize the idea in the customer's mind. All right, that's your assignment here. Change your thinking and change your language. When you do that, what do? You shorten the buying cycle. That's good for you, but far more important, it's good for your customer. Hey, thanks for watching another edition of the 5-Minute Sales Training. Tell somebody else, but you can subscribe if you haven't already. Just click the button or go to jeffshore.com to do that. And until next time, Learn more to earn more.